Hello teacher. Are you looking for an easy way to manage and schedule assignments for your students? Try the Schedule Assignment feature on Google Classroom. Step 1. Go to your Google Classroom page and click on the class for which you want to schedule the assignment. Step 2. Click on the Assignments tab. Step 3. Click on the plus button in the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Select Assignment from the menu that appears. Step 5. Enter a title for the assignment and any instructions or additional details you want to include. Step 6. Under the Due Date section, you can choose the date and time that the assignment is due. You can also choose to specify a specific time zone for the due date. Step 7. Click the Assign button to schedule the assignment. It allows you to set deadlines for assignments, and students can submit their work directly through Google Classroom, making it a convenient and efficient solution for both teachers and students. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.